Next we are looking at grouped histograms. Now these are similar to histograms except for they are used with grouped frequency distributions. And for the class boundaries, which are the numbers on the axis that separate the classes without forming gaps, we want to subtract 0.5 from the lower class limit to get the lower boundary, and we want to add 0.5 to the upper class limit to get the upper boundary. Number 7 says, construct a grouped histogram for the data. Label the axes and use the class boundaries for the x-axis. So we already constructed a stem and leaf plot and a grouped frequency distribution for this data. So we are referring to the grouped frequency distribution when we are creating this histogram. So this is what our grouped histogram will look like. So for the class boundaries, if we look at the 40s, I subtracted 0.5 from 40 to get 39.5, and I added 0.5 to 49 to get 49.5. So these would be the boundaries for the bar that represents the 40s. And kind of an interesting fact about grouped histograms and stem and leaf plots, if we put bars around these leaves and then rotate this, it actually looks very similar to our histogram.